Welcome YouTubers to another unboxing review, and today I got the Iron Studios Vision 1/6 scale statue. This is part of the Avengers 2 line. I have 4 statues from that line. I have the Hulkbuster, Hulk, Hawkeye, and Black Widow. I'm not getting the Captain Iron Man or Thor just because I got the ones from the original one and I don't need the second one. I only got the characters that basically did not come with the first one. Although Hulk, I had to get to go with the Hulkbuster. So let's go ahead and open up Vision. I have a perfect spot for him and he fits in great for what I'm wanting to do. Now, I ordered this from Pop Culture, which is an Australian website. It was just cheaper to get it through them than eBay. Or from Brazil. Looks like it's just a few different parts. So here's the base. They didn't make the bases too big on this, just because it is forming a diorama, so, you know, as you can see, here's the base. Just looks like he's in, I forget the name of the place, like Scotia Nova or whatever it is. Next is one of the Ultron Sentries. Seems like all of them pretty much have like an Ultron Sentry being defeated. This is more of a full Ultron Sentry, the other one's more half. So here it is, it does go on the base. Just gotta figure out how to put this in. Alright, looks like it's like that. Next we have Vision. Now Vision does have a mixed media cloth and then sculpted outfit. There's a little bit of a wire in here so you can display this, which I'll have to basically fizzle with. I believe he actually goes in like this. Alright, just like that. Now Vision actually comes with 2 hands. One is holding Thor's hammer, like so. Quite a strong magnet, and then just the regular hand. So I'll display it with Thor's hammer for now. Let's go ahead and put him in the collection room and see how it looks. Alrighty, YouTubers, I did get Vision set up here in my mini Avengers 2 display 1/6 diorama. Let me go ahead and show you all how I have this look. So here, you know, you got Vision. You got that really awesome poster. I really liked that art print when they first revealed it, and I think it looks great in this setup. Then you got Hawkeye and, of course, Black Widow. And then you got my Avengers 1 setup right here. And I do have the Hot Toys Loki as well to contribute to that. So Thor has a, you know, someone he's fighting with. And then next is Hulk vs. Hulk Buster. So this is more or less my 1/6 Avengers setup I have going on here. I think it looks really awesome. They're just, these three are in a Stuva together, and then these ones are in a PAX together. So let's go ahead and look at Vision more closely. So as you can see, you know, the base is very similar to their base. They have the same color because, you know, it's a diorama. And he's stepping on top of a destroyed Ultron Sentry that he basically destroyed. As you can see, lots of detail in the Ultron Sentry itself. The base looks great, very detailed. You know, it matches up perfectly with the other bases. Ultron himself, lots of detail, textured outfit. On the Avengers 2 line, they definitely went more detailed than the first Avengers set. You know, that one didn't have textured skin at all. You know, I'll show you in a sec. The eyes look great. Looks just like Vision. You got the Infinity Stone right there. Him holding Thor's hammer. The cape looks great. You know, looks just like the movie, and it is posable, and I post it just like that. Let me show you the switch out hand so you can see how that looks. So just take this out, and then just a fist, basically. Boom. So, looks great either way. You know, if you don't want to display it with the hammer, because, you know, normally Thor has the hammer, so this is definitely a good display setup as well. Let me just back up. So that, you know, I'll probably display it with the hammer for now. Maybe not. I'll switch it on and off quite a bit, actually, because I really like both display options. I think it looks awesome. Yeah, so, you know, as you saw, Vision had lots of texture detail. So does, you know, the Black Widow and Hawkeye. But, you know, looking at the first set, you know, you look at Captain America, you know, there's not really textured detail in his outfit. Thor has a little bit more detail. Hulk and Iron Man are definitely the best of this line. And of the second line, you know, of these three, I mean, they're all really good. So, you know, it's hard to say which one's better. I think Black Widow's likeness could be a little bit better. Other than that, they're all awesome. And they look great together. Hulkbuster's obviously the coolest, though, just because of his massive size, the detail, the light-up feature. Vision's a very welcome addition to my statue collection. Happy to have him. And, you know, he's a great statue. I really can't complain. It's a little on the pricey side for, you know, just because of the amount of detail in these 1/6. They do run, you know, in the 400 range, which is a little bit more than I want to pay, but, you know, they ship from, you know, Brazil or Australia, and shipping's also expensive. But, you know, he's worth it because you are getting a ton of detail. Two characters seen. You know, you got the Ultron Sentry and Vision. So more or less two characters. You know, it stands 20 inches tall. It's quite tall, you know, much taller than the other two, as you can see. Mostly because of him standing on top. Plus, he's not in like a bent pose at all like them. Great looking statue. Let me just get some more close-ups of it. And then I'll show you my whole Marvel collection because I have moved it around quite a bit. All right, let me just go ahead and show you all the Marvel collection. So first over here, I've changed the setup a little bit. I previously had lots of space, and I decided, you know, I don't want to collect a few pieces, and I thought I'd spread this out to look better. And so more or less it's, you know, just lots of Marvel characters. You got the Hulk, and each of them have a poster behind them. I like displaying it with that. Thor with the hammer next to Loki, Captain and Black Widow. Where you see this spot, I'm actually going to be getting a Black Widow bust from Avengers. It looks really, really good, just like Scarlett Johansson. It's awesome. It's 1 to 1.5 scale. It'll fit perfectly right there. Next, you got the Iron Man setup. on top, I got this really cool Avengers poster, limited to 70. Very unique, and I like how the pose of Hulk and Iron Man are basically the pose of the statues. So that's this poster. Kind of hard to see with the statues there, but it looks really good, especially with the poses of the statue is actually in the poster. Of course, you know, the Spidey display. I also got some artwork here of Carnage. Got this at WonderCon, as well as Venom. Both are very cool. And so, you know, I'm not going to get the Sideshow Venom and Carnage artwork because it simply will not fit. I didn't like it as much as the Green Goblin one. So I'm going to skip that. That empty spot is for future Marvel. Hopefully a Doctor Strange statue if they ever release a movie version. And then this is, you know, where the Civil War 1/4 Iron Studios will be going. Sideshow did put Falcon and Winter Soldier on the shipping soon. So I should hopefully get them this month or, you know, very soon for sure. And it'll look awesome once I get them. I'm super excited to get Falcon and Bucky. I think it looks so good. And then I just need the Iron Man and Captain to finish it. But, you know, those two I'm really looking forward to. And then I want to put Deadpool Sideshow 1/4 right there. Then, of course, as you saw, the 1/6. And then, you know, this is my DC setup. So that's the Marvel collection right now. I really like the way I have it displayed. I think it looks really good. You know, and of course, in this middle spot will be Thanos on throne with the art print. And I'll probably get an Avengers Infinity Wars art print as well to go behind him. So 2 posters for Thanos. But that's the Marvel collection. I feel like it is, you know, really shaping up to be an awesome display. I love it. You know, Marvel is some of my absolute favorite movies for sure, with Avengers being my favorite. So, hope you all enjoyed this video of Vision 1/6 diorama by Iron Studios. They produce some very awesome statues. I love Iron Studios. You get really quality statues when you do, you know, order from them. So, very happy with Vision. He's an awesome statue. Really can't complain. It looks just like him, and it's amazing detail. So like, comment, subscribe, let me know your thoughts, and have a great day.